Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a virtual home button to your iPhone. So if you want to add a virtual home button to your iPhone, because you probably right now are using a phone without a home button, then what you can do is simply head over to settings just like this, and you need to scroll a little bit down until you find accessibility, and then from here we're going to click on touch, assistive touch, and then you want to simply make sure to enable assistive touch, and then this thing will pop up, and literally all you need to do right now is click on single tap, and you want to change this from single tap to home. And now if we just simply click on this thing right here once, it will bring us to our home screen, as you guys can see right here. So when I'm in any app, for example Safari, and I simply want to go to my home screen using this home button, then what I can literally do is click on it, and then it will just bring me to my home screen as if it's a home button. So that's how you can add a virtual home button to your iPhone. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.